This is a demonstration of the CricketBoard app. You will need an Android device running CricketBoard, a Bluetooth clicker, and a Bluetooth speaker is optional but highly recommended. First, you will need to set up your soundboard. Soundboards are a folder containing numbered folders. Inside the numbered folders are sound files. The way it works is, when you press the clicker, say 5 times, it will play a random sound file from folder 5. Or if you press it 2 times, it will play a random sound file from folder 2. Once you are ready to use the soundboard, you will upload the soundboard to your Android device. You will then open the CricketBoard app and press Set Soundboard. So like this. You will then be able to use your clicker to play files. If I press the clicker 4 times, it will now play sound files in folder 4.
Please refrain from further public disturbances. Not while we're on patrol. Negative. Not while we're on patrol.
And this is what 2 times does.
This way, please. Step this way. Stand here.
This is highly customizable, and the best part is there are no wires run from device to device. Also, there's only one small button to use, which will be less of a hassle. Download the app from the Google Play Store and visit our website for more information.